There was a problem that hot water could not be supplied to the Samsung washing machine that has been used for 7 years. I will open the top cover and see where the problem is. After turning off the power, remove the hot water supply hose, and then connect the hot water valve jet into the cool water valve. If the power is supplied normally to the cool water valve, the hot water valve may fail. The hot water valve looks so bad, the solenoid has swells and cracks. Inquire the part number and order the parts at the Samsung Service Center. Even without loosening the screw, the hot water valve can be easily removed by lifting it up at an angle, and new parts can be installed in the same way.